In this video, we will discuss the difference between cumulative distribution function and empirical distribution function. First, let's discuss what is a cumulative distribution function or simply distribution function. A real valued function capital F defined on minus infinity that is non-decreasing, right continuous and satisfies f of minus infinity equal to 0 and f of plus infinity equal to 1 is called a distribution function or a cumulative distribution function. That is, this distribution function is a function which is defined from the set of real numbers to the closed interval 0, 1 such that it is non-decreasing, right continuous and satisfies these conditions. If x is a random variable, then the distribution function capital F of x associated with the random variable capital X is given by the probability that capital X less than or equal to small x. And given a random variable, there exists a distribution function, and conversely. We can define the distribution function for a discrete random variable as well as for a continuous random variable. For discrete random variable capital X, the distribution function which is given by the probability that capital X less than or equal to small x is equal to summation over xi is less than or equal to x pi, where pi is the probability mass function of the random variable capital X. For all I, the value of pi is always greater than or equal to 0 and summation over I ranges from 1 to infinity pi is equal to 1. Since x is discrete, it assumes at most countable number of values and hence the distribution function of a discrete random variable is a step function. For a continuous random variable, the distribution function which is equal to the probability that capital X less than or equal to small x is equal to integral minus infinity to x f of t dt, where f is the probability density function which is always greater than or equal to 0 and integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of t dt equal to 1. For a continuous random variable capital X, distribution function capital F is absolutely continuous. Now, let's see what is an empirical distribution function is. So, let's consider a sample. Empirical distribution function is also known as sample distribution function. To define empirical distribution function, consider a sample of size small n. So let x1, x2, etc. xn be a sample from a population distribution function capital F. Then fn star of x, which is equal to the ratio of number of xk's, that is the number of sample points that are less than or equal to x to the sample size, that is empirical distribution function is the ratio of number of sample points that are less than or equal to small x to the sample size small n, where k ranges from 1 to n, is called the empirical distribution function or sample distribution function. Note that the empirical distribution function values, that is the value of fn star of x, always lies between 0 and 1 for all x, and moreover fn star of x is right continuous, non-decreasing, and fn star of minus infinity is equal to 0 and fn star of plus infinity equal to 1. Thus fn star itself is a distribution function. We can also define empirical distribution function in terms of order statistics. Suppose x1, x2, etc. xn. x1 is the smallest value, x2 is the second smallest value in the sample, and etc. xn is the maximum value in the sample, be the order statistic for the sample x1, x2, etc. xn, then clearly fn star of x can be defined as 0 if x less than x1, k by n if xk less than or equal to x less than xk plus 1, and 1 if x greater than or equal to xn, where the value of k ranges from 1 to 3 etc. up to n minus 1. So fn star of x itself is a random variable of discrete type.